Hi, I'm from Senegal.
I studied at the International College of Innovation at National Chengchi University. I choose this program because it supports both academics and athletics. ACI offers a great opportunity for international students who prefer studying in English to experience Taiwan higher education. The well-designed campus facility, including the modern classroom and comprehensive resources, create the perfect setting for learning. ACI professors are always willing to listen and helping me to solve my problems, boosting my confidence for academics and athletic success. After graduation, I plan to pursue my basketball career and later shift to my passion for technology, and would like to pursue a career related to AI and data analytics. Welcome to study in Taiwan. For I'm in Taiwan, dalal ak jàmm biir Taiwan.